Magandang araw po at magandang gabi po sa mga nakakapanood sa gabi at sa lahat po ng naaabot ng video na ito. Again and again, welcome po dito sa MBO Avoy Mix Video. Ngayon po pag-uusapan natin yung pagkapanalo ng Pilipinas, 2 times world champion po ang Pilipinas, Ano po kaya ito na ipinanalo ng Pilipinas? So panoorin po natin itong tungkol sa video o upload po ito ni Fan Pack. Yan po mga kaibigan.
Do you know what London, Paris, New York, LA, Las Vegas, San Francisco, Madrid, Sydney, Tokyo, and Dubai have in common? These are the iconic cities that are always fiercely competing to outdo one another. Every year, they invest billions in upgrades, striving to secure recognition through awards that elevate their global stature and prestige. One of the most significant honors they covet is the world's leading city destination award from the
Stop po
World
muna
Travel
natin,
Awards.
So mukhang eto po yung pinanalo ng Pilipinas, yung World's Leading City Destination Award, Ibig sabihin kung ito ay pangalawa na-miss ko yung hindi ako updated dun sa una, So ito, nanalo ulit ang Pilipinas, bilang World's Leading City Destination Award. So panoorin ulit itong video, panoorin natin, tuloy po natin.
Often described as the Grammys of travel or the Oscars of tourism. The World Travel Awards, WTA, is the most prestigious organization in the global tourism industry. Established in 1993 in London, UK, it has set the benchmark for excellence in travel, hospitality, and destinations worldwide. An award from the WTA is regarded as the ultimate mark of distinction, reserved for only the most elite establishments. For 30 years, it has been celebrated as the gold standard, honoring the very best across the industry, from hotels and restaurants to cities, recreational facilities, and natural wonders. Winning a WTA award is akin to winning an Oscar in the world of tourism, symbolizing unparalleled excellence and global recognition.
World Travel Awards is the most prestigious honours program in global travel and tourism. Over the course of the year, tourism consumers, industry professionals and the international media have been voting in record numbers for their favourite travel brands and products. As we look ahead to a brighter future where global travel and tourism once again takes centre stage, winning a World Travel Award this year has become more important than ever before.
And now, brace yourself. Manila, Philippines has done it again.
Yun po. Yan po, malinaw po yan. World's Leading City Destination Award ay napanalunan po ng ating bansa ng Pilipinas o Manila. Totoo naman po, napakaraming magagandang lugar dito. Hindi lang sa mga, maging sa syudad, hindi lang sa mga beaches, yung mga lalawigan natin na kagaya ng mga Boracay, Dakak o yung El Nido, Palawan. Marami po, hindi lang po yan, At maging sa syudad, sa cities. Talagang advantage. Marami pong mga tinatawag na vlogger, foreign vlogger na pumapasok po rito at talagang nagugulat sila na maging sa mga high-rise building natin ay napakarami at napakalinis kagaya na lang dito sa BGC, Ituloy po natin ulit.
For the second consecutive year, Manila has stunned the world by claiming the coveted world's leading city destination award. Yes, you read that right. Manila,
Wow.
a city often overshadowed by wealthier and more renowned global peers, has once again outshone tourism heavyweights like New York, London, Sydney, Las Vegas, and
Tapo natin,
Dubai.
Yung mga binanggit po na lugar ay hindi ho basta-basta, talagang destinasyon po yun na pinupuntahan ng mga tao sa buong mundo, Biruin mo, London, New York at Dubai. Pero nagwagi pa rin ang Metro Manila. So, saan ka pa?
This back-to-back victory has captivated not only the global tourism industry, but also the Philippine government, with President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr., Secretary of Tourism Cristina Garcia Frasco, and key stakeholders expressing immense pride. Their joy was palpable, describing the moment as a triumph that sent chills down their
Stop natin ulit.
spines.
So ito, no, pinakita natin yung wino-workout ng ating kasalukuyang presidente, no? Kaya nakukuha natin itong mga bagay na ito, no? Wino-workout niya ito, tinatrabaho niya ito sa ibang bansa at ito, nagbubunga na po. Tuloy natin.
A testament to the Philippines' growing prominence on the world stage. The World Travel Awards WTA decision to crown Manila as the world's leading city destination for 2 consecutive years speaks volumes about the city's transformation and enduring charm. Historically,
Dalawang
this
taon na po yan.
prestigious award has predominantly been
Sa
given
loob
to
ng dalawang
European
taon,
cities,
dalawang beses din
with only
tayong
rare
nanalo.
exceptions. Manila's back-to-back victory marks a groundbreaking achievement as it becomes the first Asian city to earn this coveted title. Manila's triumph is a testament to its vibrant culture, rich history, warm hospitality, and innovative strides in tourism. Yet, its success is also driven by a range of unique qualities that set it apart from even the wealthiest and most high-profile cities. Known as a shopping mecca of the world, Manila boasts 4 of the 10 largest malls globally, offering unparalleled shopping spaces per square kilometer. Its malls house all major luxury brands, from high-end Italian and French fashion houses to trendy U.S. sportswear and tech giants. Additionally, Manila is home to some of the most exclusive hotels, grand casinos, and
So,
state-of-the-art
stop po muna
financial
natin saglit,
districts, hosting
Yung sinasabi niya, yung tungkol dun sa magagarang hotel na makikita po yan natin dito sa Pilipinas. Kahit po yung mga naglalakihang mall na sinasabi niya, makikita natin dito sa Pilipinas, at itong Pilipinas ay mayaman po sa tinatawag nating kasaysayan. Yun po yung mahalaga sa isang turismo, na parang isang package na pag pumunta ka, nandoon na po. So, tuloy uli natin.
major banks and global financial institutions. For history enthusiasts, it offers timeless attractions like the historic walled city of Intramuros, the UNESCO-listed San Agustin Church, and Rizal Park, alongside museums showcasing priceless artifacts and national treasures. Manila's vibrant nightlife further cements its reputation as a city that truly never sleeps, delivering unparalleled energy and world-class
Stop
entertainment.
natin saglit. So, makikita nyo ulit yung sinasabi dito na magmula doon sa mga artifact, mga historical, hanggang sa modern, makikita mo dito sa Metro Manila. O kung gusto mo ng mapayapa, doon ka sa mga beach, no? Yung mga naggagandahang mga beach natin dito, mga natural resources na magpapayapa sa iyo. At kung gusto mo naman yung mga ganito, mga gimikan, meron pa rin dito. At hindi po nahuhuli ang ating bansa, ang Metro Manila. Ito po.
Manila's rise to global prominence proves that a city doesn't need towering budgets to redefine tourism. It combines authentic charm, resilience,
Tama.
and a blend of modernity and tradition to offer an unforgettable experience. As they say, if you're bored with Manila, you're bored with life, because this city offers everything a world-class destination can deliver, and then some. The awarding body lauded Manila as a city of irresistible energy and heart, commending its balance of heritage and innovation. Gerard O. Panga, the Philippine tourism attaché, remarked that Manila's win reflects the nation's rising prominence as a tourism.
Panga, I'm from the Philippine Department of Tourism, London office.
Congratulations on your award this evening. How does it feel to have won?
Yeah, it's great, and it's been years of great cooperation with the World Travel Organization, World Travel Awards Organization, and a testament to the great work we're doing in the Philippines, headed by our Tourism Minister, Cristina Garcia Frasco.
Absolutely. And you hosted the World Travel Awards this year.
Yes, in September, and we won some awards, but this is the World's Edition Award, the Olympics of the travel industry, and we're winning actually 4 major awards. The Luxury Island Destination for Boracay, Manila for World's Leading City Destination, and World's Leading Tourism Board, and the World's Dive Destination for the 6th year in a row.
Well, that is certainly some achievements. And what a way to finish 2024. How was the year for you in general?
Yeah, doing great. Out of Europe, we're already beating our 2019 records, and looking forward to a greater year in 2025.
Anything that visitors can look forward to in 2025?
It's all about loving the Philippines, exciting experiences, authentic, and most especially responsible tourism.
Secretary of Tourism Cristina Garcia Frasco shared her gratitude, stating, "This is not just Manila's win, it's the Philippines' triumph. It's a testament to our collective effort to showcase the best of Filipino hospitality and culture. Manila's triumph is more than just an award. It's an invitation to discover a city like no other. While it may not rival the sheer volume of international visitors seen by Bangkok, Singapore, or Hong Kong, what sets Manila apart is its unique charm and vibrant soul. It's a city that welcomes you with open arms, where the warmth
Tama po. Stop po natin ulit, ano? So ito, tinutukoy naman po rito yung ugali nating mga Pilipino na very hospitality. At kung titingnan mo, pagka nakangiti talaga lahat, no? Kaya nga sinasabi happiest country, ano? So dito makikita natin kahit sino bumabati sa iyo, lalo na sa mga foreigner, ganyan po kasi yung mga Pilipino, no? Yun na po yung natural reaction natin pag makakakita tayo ng mga dayuhan, at yun na-appreciate po yun ng mga dayuhan na wala po yan sa ibang bansa, parang ini-snub ka, no? Pero dito pagka dayuhan ka ay talagang pakikisamahan at ngingitian ka ng maayos. Tingnan natin. Tuloy natin ulit.
of the people and the richness of the culture create an unparalleled sense of belonging. Manila is a city of contrasts, a bustling metropolis with towering skyscrapers, yet steeped in history with sites like Intramuros, the centuries-old walled city. It's home to sprawling malls that rank among the largest in the world, vibrant nightlife that pulses with energy, and a culinary scene that tells the story of a nation's diverse heritage. But what truly sets Manila apart is its people, their infectious smiles, their resilience,
Tama po.
and their knack for making you feel like you're part of their family. This victory proves that Manila has something extraordinary to offer. It's not just a destination, it's an experience. Visit Manila, and you'll see why it's capturing the world's attention and why it deserves a place in every traveler's heart. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.
Yun po, no? Kung gusto nyo mapatunayan o kayo mga nasa ibang bansa, pumunta kayo dito sa Pilipinas at patutunayan namin na kami talaga ang nag-champion
Sa World's Leading City Destination Award, no? Manila po talaga ang nanalo dyan. At nakakatuwa po dahil para sa ating mga Pilipino, dahil ito po ay sama-sama nating pinaghirapan, ano? Hindi lang po ang gobyerno, lahat po ng mamamayang Pilipino, at nawa ito ay magkaroon ng mas magandang advantage sa bawat Pilipino, no? At sana yung mga mahihirap nating kababayan ay wag nating kalimutan na tulungan natin na umasenso sila at makahabol dito sa tinatawag nating pagkapanalo na ito at makinabang din sila. So hanggang dito na lang po. Maraming salamat po. Ito po ang AMB o Avoy Mix Videos.